Do you want to know how to turn off shorts on YouTube? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So I'm using an Android, but this will work for iPhone as well. You can either launch your internet browser and go to youtube.com or open your YouTube app. And now after opening YouTube, you're probably aware of once your feeds open here and you start scrolling down, it usually don't take long to get to the short sections here, usually about 12 to 15 different shorts. So if you want to permanently turn them off, unfortunately there is no such setting currently to disable them or enable them, but there is a workaround. If you look closely, highly with a light arrow here, there's a little three dots in the upper right hand corner of each of this video. If you select those three dots and then select not interested, that little shorts will disappear. Now you kind of have to do that for all this 12 to 15 initially here, but I will show you what happens once you get to the end and have selected not interested on all these videos. So we just got a few more here to go here, last one, and as you can see the shorts is no longer there. If I head up here and refresh the feeds and then scroll down again, you will see the short sections is removed. Now if you close out the app and then go back to the app, which I will do here, and open the YouTube again, and as you scroll down, as you can see, there is no more YouTube short section. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.